Everyone, how are you today, guys? How's your day and morning over there? I hope you have a nice gray morning and a great day ahead to all of you. So let's have a coffee, guys. Coffee time na naman ako, guys. It's me again. I'm late. As always, guys. Mm. Go for the biscuit na naman ako, guys. Kasi hindi pa tayo nakapagpunta doon sa taas na magbili ng tinapay. So, na-feel busy ako guys, kaya wala akong time doon magpunta muna. Mm, Kape tayo. Mm, Ang coffee natin is mainit guys. Mm, So, I hope everyone din dyan nakapagkape na kayo. So, nagbihis na ako guys, as you can see. So, after dito, when I feel free na guys to go out, because today is my schedule na naman guys, going market na naman ako again guys. Kasi empty na naman yung mga kakals ko dito guys, train na lang. At marami pang iba. Wala na din guys. Kailangan na nating lumabas. Mm, So far, so good. Before that, we need to coffee. At after dito guys, tapos ko mag-coffee, no? Tapos ko din mag-busy dito, mga gawain. So, kain din ako ng rice guys and then palabas na ako. Para may energy naman ako guys maglakad. Medyo malayo-layo pa din yung sa labas guys. Kailangan natin kainan ng rice. Diba? Kaya ready to go na tayo guys kasi busy. Hmm. Ang miming. Kainin mo yun. Harap. Thank you so much everyone to all your love and support. Thank you. See you next again guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.